April 25th, 2025, and this is gonna be day 291 of consistently helping people build consistency. So I believe one of the best way on how you can actually be consistent at doing something positive like exercising, studying, practicing art, practicing sport is to basically just document, right? Document your own journey, your own routine in a time lapse, okay? So I'm referring to the time lapse that hey, you know what? If you just open up your camera in your phone, there's this option to have. I don't know whether this is, exists on every single phone camera or not, but you can just like check it up on your phone camera. Is there any time lapse option? Basically, time lapse means that, you can document a video, you can record a video, a long video, and it's going to, you know, look really fast. So basically, the thing that we are going to be doing here is every single time we want to exercise, we want to do our studying, we want to do our practicing, we are going to be recording ourselves in a time lapse, okay? And this is going to be we are going to be recording this on a day-to-day basis, means that you know the recording the time lapse itself is going to be a part of the routine itself. It's going to be a part of the exercising routine itself, okay? It's going to be the part of the studying routine itself, okay? So exercising doesn't only means that you do your exercise, but it also means that you document your exercise on a time lapse. So the thing that you wanted to be doing here is that every single time you wanted to create a time lapse, the first 30 seconds, you just watch your camera lens just like this for 30 seconds. Okay, for 30 seconds, you just watch it. So here's the thing why this method is going to be effective. One, it's going to remind of you, right? It's going to remind you how much time and energy and effort you've put into your thing, into your studying, into your exercising, into your practicing, right? That's the first reason. And secondly, it's also going to remind you how much expectation that you have for your future self to remain consistent. Okay? So here's the thing. Every single time you record yourself on time lapse, you are going to be uploading it on a private account. Okay, a private account, new private account. Maybe you are the only person that can watch this private account. Basically, a private account solely, a private social media account solely for the purpose of documenting your journey. Okay, because you don't want to just store it on your phone every single day, because it's going to take your memory storage at the end of the day. You do not want that to happen. So basically just create a social media account to store your time lapse videos. Okay, the thing that you are going to be doing here is that you are going to upload the video on a day-to-day basis every single day, and also every single day before you do your exercise, before you do your studying, before you do your thing, you are going to be watching your past videos first. Okay, so basically not only documenting your journey is a part of the routine itself. Now, watching your past videos is also going to be a part of the routine itself. Okay? So, as I've mentioned before, every single time you watch your past videos, you watch, your videos from 7 days ago, from 30 days ago, one, you are going to be reminding yourself that, hey, you know what? My past self, he has put so much energy, so much effort, so much time doing this thing, doing this exercise, doing this studying. You know what? His effort, I don't want his effort to go in, vain just because I don't do it anymore, just because I stop being consistent. Basically, it's going to give us more motivation, more meaning, more reason to stick to the thing, right? To continue recording, to continue the studying, to continue the exercising, right? That's the first reason, giving us some extra motivation, extra reason. Even on the days when we are not feeling motivated, big chances when we watch our old videos, we are going to be reminded that, you know what, I've put so much time, so much energy on this thing. I want to continue it. And you know what? This is something positive anyway. Okay? And secondly, as I've mentioned before, we are going to be reminded, right, of how much our past self has a really high expectation to us. Okay, so basically the first 30 seconds of just watching the camera, it's basically to emphasize the feeling that, hey, you know what, my past self is currently looking at the camera, and he expect me, right, expect the future version of him to watch this previous video and just watch how much effort, how much time, how much energy his past self has put into that particular thing, into that studying, into that exercising. So basically, our past self is reminding our future self that, hey, you know what, I've got so much expectation for you to continue doing this thing. I've got so much expectation for you to continue this tradition, to basically document your exercising journey, to basically document your studying journey on a day-to-day basis. And once we remember about these things, we are going to be thinking like, oh, you know what? Yes, my past self is looking at me through the camera with so much expectation. I do not want to make him disappointed. I do not want to break the streak. I do not want to break the tradition. So how do I precisely maintain the tradition? Well, by precisely continuing doing the thing consistently, by consistently doing the exercise and documenting it, and continue the tradition to time lapse it, to just watch the the camera lens for 30 seconds first, and then emphasizing the feet, emphasizing the message that, hey, this is something that's really important. I want you to never break this streak. Okay, so basically that's how you actually be consistent at doing something, by creating a time lapse, document it on a day-to-day basis, and also on a day-to-day basis you watch your past, your old videos, your old time-lapse videos, precisely to remind yourself that, one, this is something that you have put so much effort into, so much time into, and secondly, not only that you have put so much effort and time into this thing, you also, right, the past version of you is currently expecting on the current you, on the future you, on the today you, to continue the tradition. Okay, so that's how you actually be consistent at doing something. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Join our Discord, and you can also support my long-form content by buying me a coffee on Gumroad. Yeah. And also, for today's date of Fantasy post, today's memes are posted a dinosaur post last 24 hours, GMT +7. Oh yeah, but actually this video might be uploaded like 1 or 2 days or 3 days from now, because I need to edit first. And thank you.